that sort of thing. I mean, it's just agonizing for everybody, really.
The pandemic is doing a lot of damage to people's mental health. A new study shows 37% of people in Tennessee are dealing with symptoms of anxiety or depression. That is the third highest in the nation, up from 9th in 2020. Reporter Mary Klinkler talked to a mental health expert who says East Tennessee is no exception. Mary.
Robin, mental health experts say in 2019 in East Tennessee, 1 in 5 people had a mental health condition, but the pandemic changed that dramatically.
That prevalence doubled from 20% to about 41%.
And the longer the pandemic continues, experts say, the longer it'll continue to fuel that. Because there seems to be a pattern where COVID-19 numbers increase.
Anxiety levels have started to peak again.
Ben Harrington is the CEO of Mental Health Association of East Tennessee. He says with the ongoing pandemic, our collective mental health is struggling.
And this is what people are saying that COVID is doing to them. You know, it's making them fearful and anxious about everything. They're losing sleep.
Harrington says anxiety and depression have doubled in Knox County too.
Pre-pandemic, I would tell folks we could fill Neyland Stadium one time with all the people who need mental health care.
Now, he says, we could fill it twice.
It's a safe word. Everyone can talk about their stress, but not everyone can talk about struggling with anxiety or depression or something like that.
I think that everybody felt alone. I think alone goes well with depressed. Whenever I think about COVID, it's just one of the first things that came to my mind, you know.
Stressed was written on our whiteboard in Market Square, but it wasn't the most popular expression.
In your low moments, you can kind of reflect on that, especially maybe we had lots of time to reflect.
Different words used to describe a similar feeling.
Talking on the phone only goes so far. Like, you want to see people in person, so it's definitely very isolating.
Loneliness.
It's just been a long haul. If it weren't for this little dog, it would have been worse, a lot worse.
And the good news is experts say symptoms of depression are fairly normal during a pandemic, and if the feelings continue to get worse for you, though, you should see a mental health care provider or take a free screening online. Right now, we have those details on our website. Robin?
Help is available. All right. Mary, thank you so much.